In this video, I will show how to copy a PDF table to Excel. So click on data and here click on get data. Now select from file and select from PDF. So we can see we have this file. So we will get some tables in PDF. So get from file from PDF and select your PDF. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. So we can see the table. From this list, select your required table. Then click on load. Now just here you need to click on load. So this is the way guys you can import table from PDF in Excel in easy and perfect way.